guys, and welcome to the Station Bakery. Today we are going to be transforming this simple grocery store cake into this magnificent glam cake. So here we just have your typical grocery store cake. Whoa! You know, this is cool and all, but we're gonna take this up to another level.
Okay.
We're gonna see what we can do and what we can transform this into. So to get started, I have some tools here. And the first thing that I'm going to do is to scrape off all of this beautiful buttercream. Now, my goal is to see if I can salvage the white buttercream to use back on the cake. That is the goal. So we'll see how much we have after we scrape everything down. I'm like so nervous. Okay, the only way to do it is to just do it. I'm gonna scrape this off. I wasn't expecting it to be this soft. I mean, it's not a bad thing, right? Because we are gonna eat this cake, so that's good that we have soft buttercream. I do feel like I'm not doing a good job of scraping this off though. This is more nerve-wracking than like I expected it to be. Let's see. Oh, man, I don't know. I guess because like I'm used to always putting the icing on the cake, that taking it off just, it feels wrong. It feels wrong. Like I should not be doing this. No one should ever do this.
Do it!
There's like still a little bit of color, but these sprinkles, man, I always say sprinkles are like glitter, right? That's all I'm gonna say on that. It's like glitter. That was a good sweep. That was a good swipe. What are we gonna eat? ASMR? I probably gave you like the, what's it called? You know, the shakes? It's very satisfying. I know there's gonna be someone out there and you are going to go and buy a cake just so you can like get that satisfying just scrape off all the icing. It's fairly satisfying once you get past the fact that you're, you know, messing up someone's work. I like this part. Satisfying, the satisfaction. And don't mind this hand here, you know, it just kind of does its own thing. It just does what it wants to do. So don't mind it, okay? I don't know, put it in my pocket or something. Someone on one of my other videos, they were like, I want to see you sit on your hands and see like if you can like talk without using your hands. I'll just put it in my pocket. Just put it in my pocket. If you are a baker who is just starting out, this is a great idea to like practice on. Buy these cakes, scrape off the icing, and then redecorate them. Like, this is perfect. Perfect for practicing. Oh, that was a good ASMR. We need to slow that one down. Okay. So now we are ready to cut out our rounds. I am using this. I believe that this is actually like a cookie cutter, but this is perfect for like mini cakes. I'm gonna cut these out, and what's really great about this is that like it's already perfectly level and perfectly even. Why do we hate on grocery store cakes so much? Like, I think they're lovely. And I'm excited to eat this. Now we have our piping bag filled with the buttercream. It is like such a pretty color. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so now that we've had the taste test and it is approved for my use, let's go ahead and start layering this. Let's pipe a border. So let's add in our peanut butter filling. see it's kind of leaning a little bit. We gonna lean to them. We gonna lean to them. Now I have my 2 layers of cake. Now I'm going to put a layer of cheesecake. Like, it's sliced, but I don't think that's gonna be a problem. I hope it's not gonna be a problem. All right, cut it right out the middle. Ta-da! Okay, so there we have our beautiful layer of cheesecake. Can you guys imagine, like, when we cut into this? Okay. All right, so it's been chill for a little bit, and now I'm going to ice it. Okay, and here we have it. I have it iced. It's not perfect, but it will do because we still have a lot of decorations to go on here that we're gonna be using. So here it is. Now on to the next part. Okay, you guys, so I have the finished product and I am so thrilled to show you. And I mean, like, this cake looks good from every angle. It looks so good from every angle. Okay, so here's the big reveal. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. That's the back. Ah. Wow. This is the finished product. Who would have thought that I'll be able to create this out of a generic grocery store cake? I mean, I knew, but like, this was all straight from the same cake, you guys. Now the extras, of course, are the beautiful flowers, and this is edible lace, and I have glittered rock candy on here that I made myself. And I just think it looks so good, you guys. And I made these custom, they're supposed to be like palm spears, and I made these. I have a video on how to make these just in case you're interested. But you guys, hit that like button. That like button needs to be going. Look at this. Look at this, you guys. Hit that like button and be sure that you subscribe. To my channel, guys. And let me know in the comments below if you would like to see more transformations or just more cake decorating in general. Be sure that you stay tuned to my channel to see the cutting of the inside of this cake. Yes, we are gonna cut into it, baby. I know you wanna know what it looks like on the inside. I know you wanna know. So we're gonna do that just for you. I'm so proud. I'm so proud. But yes, guys, until next time, peace.